Well, hi to all. Today we're going to learn how to save data from real-time data in our Excel sheet. This is three-way point. We have procedure having a 3 point. First we have to take a real-time data in our Excel sheet. Then we will fetch from that Excel from that real-time data, and then we will save data. Okay. हमको सबसे पहले रियल टाइम डाटा अपने वहाँ से आप क्या बोलते हैं वेब से लेना पड़ेंगे. फिर हम उस डाटा में जो हमको जरूरत है वी विल फेच दैट डाटा एंड देन हम उसको सेव कर लेंगे उस डाटा को. ओके. So suppose this is our real time data, है ना. This is real time data of an option chain of nifty. Okay. So what the first point we have to do, first point we have to do is we have to take that real time data in our Excel sheet, है ना. Then whichever the data you want to save, you have to select and fetch. Suppose we have to take this OI, this is complete OI of this one is data first one. Then we have to need this data, we have to need this data. So what we have to do is we have to fetch this data, है ना. And the third point is that we have to save this data which we have to fetch from a real-time data. Okay, so this is 3 point procedure. In the first point we have to take a real-time data in our Excel, then we have to fetch the data, means whatever the data we need to save, and we have to fetch the data, and third we have to save the data which we are fetching. Okay, so this is how it will look like. It will save in every n minute, whatever the minute you have to need to save that data. Okay, the first you know, first for taking a data, for taking data from an option chain or nifty to our Excel sheet, this is the procedure. First you have to click a data, first you have to click a data, then you have to go, then you have to click from web, then you after clicking from web, this pop-up window will come up. Here you have to write a path of your whatever the site you have to know. You have to check, suppose I have to go for a nifty option chain. This is our address. You have to write this address or paste this address. Okay, after pasting this address you have to click this go button. After clicking this go button, then you have to click this yellow button. This one is yellow button, and then you have to import. After clicking and import, just remember that after clicking go you have to click this yellow button, and after clicking go a new page will come, a nifty page will come. After nifty page will come, then you have to click this yellow button and then go for import button. Okay, after clicking an import button, a new pop-up will come. This pop-up will come. After this, when this pop-up will come, then click this property button. Okay, after this pop-up will come, just click the property button, and when this property will come, just select this minute. This is the 60 minute. You have to change this minute. Suppose I have going for a 5 minute, means I need a data to be refreshed in every 5 minutes. For that I have to check this box. So you have to check this box, and just see here, I check this box, I write a 5 minute, just write an okay, and then again just go for okay. Okay, so what will happen, this will come in your Excel sheet. This is real time data of an option which come your Excel sheet. Now what the procedure is that we have a 3 point procedure. First we have to take a runtime data in our Excel sheet. Second procedure is that we have to save a data, we have to fetch a data, whichever the data you need. Suppose I need this data, and suppose I need this data, so I have to go to fetch. So we have to do that. We have to make a 3 worksheet. First one is main, where we have where the runtime data is there. Second is that which the data you want to save, and third is that what are the data you have fetched going to be saved. Okay, so here the 3 point is there, and main we have to select that, we have to run the data. Second we have to fetch the data, and third we have to fetch save the data. Okay, this is our second page. Suppose we have how to fetch the data. Okay, simple way is just go for equal sign. Suppose we have to need to save this. Suppose we have to need to save this one. Okay, so what we have to do is just go to second page. Okay, just go to second page, go equal sign over here, just trying to equal sign over here, just click a main page. After clicking a main page, suppose we have to save, this is our main page. Suppose we have to save a 10,600 strike price, a change in OI of 10,000 strike price. Which one is this one? Okay, so what you have to do is just write equal to sign over here, just write equal sign over here, go to main page, and after going to main page, just select this one. Okay, after selecting this one, just select this one and enter. Okay, just nothing to do, just select this one and enter. You have to do, there's some more thing you can do, is just go for an average. For average, suppose you have to take an average of entire change in OI or volume, just come to main page, and write an average. In main page, just write an average and click this one, and select this box. So what will happen, entire volume of this entire sheet will, entire volume of this D column will going to be saved. Okay, it's going to be so fetch over here, and after doing this, and this is our column. So I selected this all thing where everything like in average, standard deviation, whatever you need is on you, and select which are the points. The simple way I told you, this is a simple way to select that data, what the next point is that we have to save this data, whichever the data we fetch, we have to save this data, how to save this? Suppose this is the data which we fetch, this is how it look like, we have saving in every 5 minutes. So this is data going to be saved. How is going to be done is very simple procedure. Okay, after what you have to do is just click on developer button and click a VB. After clicking a developer button, select VB. Okay, after selecting VB, this pop-up will come. Here this insert button, click this insert button, and that inside that insert button select a module. Okay, inside that insert button select a module. After selecting a module, this pop-up will come, and after selecting a module, this pop-up will come. Now you have to write a simple code over here. There is one simple code over here. You have to just write the simple code. This is that simple code. Just see this simple code, and what you have to just copy the simple code, and this is the point where you can change. Suppose I need a 1 to 25 cell, I need to save its 25 data. You can extend the data to 100, 200, whatever you needed. Okay, so here if you want to go for 100 data to save, just write 100 over here instead of 25. Okay, this, and one more plus is that after, so this is our first seed, and after this ends up, just write this one. After this ends up, just write this also. And here this is time. I am going for 4 minutes 30 seconds. You can change for whatever the time you needed. You can go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever the time over it. After doing this, just do is that control save it. And how is going to save it? Just control S and then run it. How are you going to run it? Just press F5. Okay. After pressing an F5, and after pressing an F5, these come back to our second page. Okay, in second page there is one button column, how is come to the button column? This is a button column which work that whenever going to start your excel, means you open your excel, you need then run a macro, how this is a macro, you need to save the data. For saving this data, you have to click this button. How this button will come? Just very simple, the procedure for that also. Just click a developer button, go to insert, after clicking a developer button, come to insert, and click this insert button, and select this pop-up, first one. They select this first one pop-up. After select this first one pop-up, a button to this button, and you'll come here, and click right button and analyze a micro, last second point. After clicking a right button, you get a last second point which is analyze macros. After analyzing macro, this pop-up will come. Just select this first one, this hello, and select this hello and okay. Okay, after selecting this hello, just click and okay. Okay, after selecting this and okay, here it will come. And what will happen, whenever you come, you have to need, whenever you start your excel sheet, just need one thing you need, just you click this button, and what will happen, every 5 minutes your data will going to save, automatically save your data. Okay, if suppose there is any problem is coming, it means your excel sheet is not working, you just call me or message me, message me in my facebook. If suppose if I am not going to receive, or yeah, if I am unable to see your message, just call me, and I will forward the currently working excel sheet, which is with me. Okay, thank you, have a good day.